Hello everyone, I am Narmatha, Assistant Professor working in Dr. SNS Rajlakshmi College of Arts and Science. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about RSA algorithm. So it is mainly used in public key cryptography concept. So there we are using this algorithm for encryption and decryption process. First we'll see about RSA. By Rivest, Shamir and Adleman of MIT in 1977, they have developed this algorithm. So it is best and widely used a public key scheme. So it uses the concept of exponentiation. So by that, they have developed this RSA algorithm, and it also uses a large integer value. For example, 1024 bits. It can handle it, that much of value informations. RSA encryption and decryption. So to encrypt a message, the sender obtain a public key of recipients, and we have to perform the computation C is equals M O E mod n, where 0 less than or equal to M less than N. For the decryption, the uses their private key, and it is computed based on M is equals C power D M mod N. So know that the message must be smaller than the modulus of the N. So if we had using a block means, so we have to specify that. How we are solving the decryption? By the use of below mentioned equation, E into D equals 1 mod of N and 0 less than D less than or equal to N. So publish their public encryption key PU is equals E and N. Keep secret private decryption key PR is equals E comma N. Why RSA works? Because of Euler's theorem, A power n mod n is equals 1, where GCD A comma n is equals 1. So in RSA, I have n is equal to P into Q, and n is equals P minus 1, Q minus 1. Carefully choose E and D to be inverse mod of n. Hence, E into D is equals 1 plus K into of n for some K. So only we are calculating the modulus. So for that, we have to know the public and private key. So if we have used public key means in the decryption side, we have to use a private key. If we use a private key in decryption, we have to use a public key. So for that, we have used this modulus function and modulus operations. The example is given here. So here we are taking a select a prime numbers like p is equal to 17 and q is equal to 11. Now we are calculating n is equal to p into q. So that is 187. And next we have to find out the n, p minus 1 into q minus 1. Here we get 160. After that we have to select GCD E comma 160 is equals 1 and choose E is equals 7. So we have to determine D is equals 1 mod 160. So D is less than 160. So value is D equal 23, since 23 into 7 is equals 161. So publish a public key 7 comma 187 and keep secret key 23 comma 187. So in this way only the RSA algorithm will works. Sample RSA encryption decryption is given. Message M is equals to 88. So for encryption we are using C is equals 88 power 7 mod 187 is equals 11, and for decryption M is equals 11 power 23 mod 187 is equals 88. So with this example, you can understand about how the RSA algorithm will work. Thank you.